Hi my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. You guys know I was away for 2 weeks. Of course, none of you checked on me, but that's okay. It's all in the past now. So while I was away for that 2 weeks, I discovered this platform called Luell AI. Luell AI is a premium AI training data marketplace. They hire contributors from all over the world to upload quality content. It can be a video, voiceover, audio, whichever one. It must be high quality for the use of AI training. It is a multi-module training data platform. All you have to do is to upload high quality video content, like I said, images and photos, audio and voiceovers to their database. And voice content can include short clips, demonstration, tutorials, screen recordings, POV videos, like a video of yourself maybe carrying out some tasks at home, maybe cooking, washing, cleaning. You upload it if there's any task like that for you to complete. So if you're ready to start training AI from home, then this video is for you. When you guys hear about AI training, some of you think it's bringing a robot in your house and then training it. They are using the videos, your voiceovers, the audios you upload. They are using it to train, to refine AI systems like chatbots and all of that. So that's just what it is. You're not like training AI or fixing it physically. I'm gonna show you guys my screen right now. Okay, while I was away, I signed up. What you guys need to understand again is that when you sign up or when you register on these AI platforms, it takes some time for them to take you. It takes some time for them to review your application and get back to you. Okay, so it took a while. I was away for 2 weeks, and this week will make it like 3 weeks. Within that 2 weeks, I was accepted into the platform. There's no magic in there. You cannot just apply today and expect to get in tomorrow. Give them some time, okay? So, but this one, I'm telling you that yes, it works. They have 2 AI training jobs right now that anyone can do, right? So let me show you guys. This is the platform here. Before I go there, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, like, comment and share. A lot of you do not like the video. You don't even drop comments. How do I know if you're engaging or not if you're not dropping your comment? Please comment, like and share, okay? And if you're not subscribed, I don't know what else you're waiting for. I'm doing my best to help out. Please subscribe to the channel. It's a way of you showing support. So this is the platform here called Luell.ai. It's a premium AI training data marketplace. Type of content you can upload as a contributor include cooking tutorials, voice sample, product photo, and all those type of content. 2 ways to work with Luell, whether you're building the next generation of AI or earning from your creativity. Luell connects you with what you need. If you're someone that is building AI or someone that is looking to train AI, you can come to this platform. This platform connects AI trainers to employers or enterprises. So for contributors, you upload videos, voice recording, and audio content to earn. AI companies pay premium rates for high quality training data. They have 24/7 payouts via Venmo, Stripe, and more. They have fair rates with global access, no upfront costs, simple upload from any device, professional quality standards with guidance. Also, I would like to talk about this payout this payout method. A lot of you will come and tell me Stripe is not available in your country. Find a way to do it. I've seen people from Nigeria working on this platform, showing how they are able to withdraw their money. You too can find a way to do that. Find a way to do it yourself. So this is just what the platform looks like. Then let me show you my dashboard. This is my dashboard as at today. Sometimes when you come to this platform, you will see loads of jobs, but maybe one of them or even none of them is for people, that speak English or from outside some certain country. These 2 tasks are available on my dashboard. I can actually do them. You too can do them as well. American English conversational audio, record with partner. So sometimes you'll be asked to converse with partner. It says natural American English conversations, record with a partner. It's open. They are paying $24 an hour, okay, and 40 cents per minute. It depends on how many minutes you can spend on the call or on the conversation. It depends. This is the base hourly rate, $24 an hour. This one has been here for me for a while. It's just between, it says it's 5 to 1 hour, and it's any, which means anyone can do this from any location at all. They're paying $5 per hour and 0.08 cents per minute. I think I can actually do this one. I didn't even see. I thought it was just $5 for the whole thing. It's $5 per hour, depending on how many hours you're able to record. For this one is called egocentric POV video recordings. You record any hands-on activity from a first-person perspective. They are collecting egocentric first-person point of view video footage for AI training. Record yourself performing any hands-on activity. So like I have a cooking channel where I showcase my cooking skills. Yeah, you can set your camera up and capture yourself cooking. You don't need to talk. So let me read it for you. The requirement says, we are collecting egocentric first-person point of view video footage for AI training. Record yourself performing any hands-on activity using a head-mounted camera, GoPro, smart glasses, phone harness, etc. Not accepted will be rejected. No low cognitive tasks, walking around, flipping pages, staring at a screen, sitting idle. So these are the things you will not do. Okay, you're meant to be doing something like cooking, cleaning, but not talking. Okay, video orientation lens important, horizontal landscape only, wide angle lens required. So check it out. Good task example: cooking and food prep. Like I said, chopping vegetables, stirring pots, plating food, cleaning and organizing, washing dishes, sorting items, wiping surfaces with variety, crafting and building, woodworking, sewing, assembling furniture, soldering, repairs and maintenance, fixing appliances, changing tires, plumbing, gardening, playing instruments, art and drawing, pet care, office tasks with hands, sorting mail, filling, packaging shipments. Requirements, like I said, camera position must be head mounted only. The tips for the best results: ensure good lighting, natural light works great. Secure the camera firmly to avoid excess shaking. Perform tasks naturally. No need to act or narrate. Keep hands in frame throughout the recording. Double check your video is horizontal and wide angle before submitting. So it's still open for submission. If I'm ready, I have some footages that I can actually upload, but you have to make sure you capture yourself in the process before you upload. If you're comfortable sharing yourself, go ahead and do this one. That's if you accepted into the platform. Okay, so that's it. If you speak American English, you can also go for this one. Everything you know is in here, and they're paying. So for payment method, like I said earlier, the payment method is Venmo, Wise, Stripe, and PayPal. PayPal is not configured yet. It's on maintenance. But Wise, I believe Wise works for Nigeria. I can't tell. But I'm not going to dwell much on the payment method, because this is one of the things that put my account into trouble. I'm trying to help people navigate how to, leverage these opportunities online. But when you say the words, YouTube algorithm just catches up and either deletes your video or suspends you or strikes you. So I'm not going to dwell much on that part. You can figure it out yourself, but I'm just showing you that yes, Luell AI hires AI trainers. They connect AI trainers to companies, to enterprises. All right, so if you're interested, feel free to apply. Okay, so these are other jobs they have here as well. Some are closed right now. Computer workflow screen recording. I didn't even say this one. Computer workflow screen recording. Let me see. Yeah, like this video that I'm doing right now, I can actually, submit it. This particular video, I can submit it, and they're paying $4.20 per hour for this one. So go ahead now and check them out, apply, and give them some time. I don't know if it's I can't remember how long it took me to get in, but you definitely need to give them some time to get in, to access you. And yeah, they'll send you the link to complete your sign up. And that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and share. My views are low because of what YouTube did to me, but I'll keep pushing. All I need is your support. Like this video, drop a comment, let me know that you're supporting me in the comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're seeing me for the first time. We're about 10,000 people here, but yet video views are low. I understand because of what YouTube did. I'm not holding it against you guys, but yeah, do your best as I'm trying to, help you guys. Also do your best for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and share. I'll see you in the next one.